So I'm going to read a couple of poems that have been inspired by spending some time on the Cahaba River. The first one is called Slow Persuasion. River caresses rock into holding an eddy's turn, a shoal's drop, a ripple's undulation. This is slow persuasion, slower than an afternoon of pinching clay, and softer, like the long gaze between lovers that gentles them into resembling one another. Along rock, our fingers can feel how river moves without water breaking and altering course, to grace our hands like everything in its bed, with silk and shine. And water's image, it is too quick for us to ever know. And this next poem is called Cahaba Alemia, which is the name of a type of snail that only occurs in the Cahaba River. Cahaba Alemia. Beneath an eddy and over rock, a snail trembles against the current, then sucks forward, lengthening its grip that turns, loops, crosses itself, a route unbound by destination or journey, its way of going and going on and on over the same terrain. No, not terrain, but track. No, not that either. What word do we have for place, marked by tread, soft as tongue? I'm going to read you a poem from my book, Known by Salt, and it's called To Season. To Season. Now let me praise parsley, the paws of leaf, on the 99-cent Stuckey's breakfast plate. My first encounter with the emerald furl beside grits and fried egg. Praise it as harbinger of this flat-leaf parsley palming my white wine and buttered penne. Let me praise rosemary. Watch it curve into laurels above ears of corn now roiling in the pot. Praise the fragrant fronds I had known only as a weed in Mozelle's story of how she tucked rosemary in the neck of her meal-sack dresses. Let me praise its perfume allure for sating her longing for glamour when she lacked lacquers to redden her nails and gloss her lips. Now praise us, salt, you mineral. Sing of grit. Hum as you rise from our pores. Praise us as we sharpen our knives. Cure these iron skillets. Let praise distinguish us, places here, but coming from there. Let praise now us, bring us into this season. And the next poem is from Rooted by Thirst, and it's called This is a Way of Naming. This is a way of naming. How even come midnight, that mockingbird repeats a wren's tart call, that pitch-high sigh of pork's wings, the creaking frog song. Mockingbird a jazz with naming his love. He tastes every echo's tone for the way it woos her, yet hungers for that grain of quiet, its tang hanging between those mimicries. From that hush he will weave a melody, his own whispering name for her. He savors its timbre, how it fits the exact shape of her who returns to him each spring. Like the mockingbird who sings all night, I'm calling you names from old-time love songs. Sugar, sugar, my honey baby, my love at last. Or tomato, because of the pining ache I hear when 2-year-old Emma begs, "Mado, Mado," from my plate. Someday I will fashion a name suiting you, a song you'll whisper back to me like mockingbirds do, like Moselle and Grandpa calling each other Poss, short for possum, Poss for the zestful happiness possums find while eating persimmons.